Hey guys,
Hi,
welcome to
the channel.
yes. In today's video, we're gonna give you a quick update on the raised garden bed.
It's been a while since we gave an update from our previous videos, and there is a lot of things that we wish to show you on the development and the progress of our garden.
Yes, indeed. So we ended up converting it into a greenhouse.
Let's dive into it.
Exactly. Let's do it. Let's actually dive like this. Okay.
It just won't stop raining. I just had to walk down just to see. Look all that. Look at our garden. There's some little things growing there. Not so bad.
Hey guys, quick update. So as you can see the raised bed here, I'm just adding a net on top, or maybe I'll just put some chicken mesh so that the birds or the chickens won't be able to get in. I'm almost maybe 60% done, but better late than never, right? So I'll just show you quickly what I've done so far. So far what I've done is put this framing here. I used timber, mostly 38 by 38, and yeah, so this is so far how it's looking. In winter we might maybe put plastic, greenhouse plastic. So this is how it's looking so far from the back. Okay, this is how it looks. So what I've done, let me just show you closer. I've put some hinges. I don't know if you can see. So there's a hinge there. It might be small, but well, they work. So the idea is to be able to open it like this when you are getting the veggies. So I've put 1, 2, 3, 4. The fourth one I'm about to put in now. But yeah, basically you just lift it to open when you're getting the veggies. And yeah, so far that's how it looks. Right, so I'll just show you doing the last part here. These ones are done. The only thing left is to put the net on top. Alright, I'm doing the last door here. I'm just gonna join this and this, then I'll keep it up there. I've just applied some glue here. Now I just need to. Okay. It's fine. Okay, just put some glue there. And so it becomes a bit stronger when it's dry. Just need to make sure I put this thing down. Okay, just need to balance. Thank you. getting that now, and yeah, I'll probably continue tomorrow. Make it look a little bit more pretty than it is now. Hopefully this bed will provide us with some veggies throughout the year. And in winter we're thinking of putting maybe a greenhouse plastic on top, so that it becomes some kind of a greenhouse garden. And yeah, we'll be able to plant any type of veggies throughout winter because it will be warm in it, and we can even warm it up a little bit if it's too cold. It's literally snowing right here in the backyard. It's freezing cold. The water is frozen. That's ice. Frozen water. See, that's water which was supposed to come out, but it's a block of ice. Ice everywhere in here. I don't know if I can take this off. Let's see. Can take this off. It's ice. Right, now at Builders, found the bracket I'm looking for, and it costs just $5, which is how much in US dollars? Probably less than a quarter. Right, so I'll be using these for the angles of the lids for the doors. Okay, these are the brackets. Okay, so I found these. They are going for 42 rand, which is about $2. And then I'm gonna use these washers here. Okay, guess where I'm going now? Crazy Plastic. Right, let's see. Yep, get something there. So I'll be getting this bubble wrap here at Crazy Plastic. There's two types. There's this one here, it's the shorter one. It's going for 209 rands, which is about $10 for each roll. So this one is 624 millimeters by 100 meters. Okay, and then we have this one, slightly bigger. It's 1.2 meters by 100 meters. Thanks. Yeah, so this is the size difference. Yeah, he's helping me get that there. Yeah, so alright, so I'll be getting the bigger one. Thank you. Now I have everything I need to get started. So I'll just show you quickly what I have gathered. Over here I have a measuring tape, screwdriver, and I got some drywall screws. They make it easy for me, and the brackets that I showed you from the shop. And then I also added these T brackets here so that they can help me to join. I want to put a center piece as well, just a supporting timber, so I'll use this to screw it on so that it's a bit more firm and rigid. So yeah, this is what it looks like. And I also got some washers. So these washers, I'll use them when I put the bubble wrap. Okay, so I'll just screw these onto the bubble wrap so that it doesn't tear or break. Okay, so that's what I have. Now I just need to take off this first. Okay, out with the old, throw it away, in with the new. So I'll be putting this, right, so this is basically bubble wrap. You know that plastic used to wrap parcels? Yeah, it is this one. Remember I used to play with these when I was a kid. Maybe bubble wrap, but anyway. So now the next step is for me to put these brackets on the doll that I just showed you now. The idea is I'll just put each one like this, then I'll put some screws there, and I'll do the same over there all the way out there. And then for the T ones, these T pieces, I'll put it somewhere in the middle here, somewhere. So I'll put another piece of timber from there all the way to there, put another T, just so that it's a bit more strong or sturdy, don't know. So yeah, to make it a little bit more strong. So let me get to it. I see it's about to rain, so I can cover this thing. All right. Okay. It's already promising. All right, quick update. Now I've completed putting the brackets. I know now it's a bit too dark to film, but I have to finish for tomorrow. I have a different project I need to do. So now it's time to put the bubble wrap around. So I've finished the whole structure now, strong enough. Now I just need to put bubble wrap. Alright, I had to stop last night. It was too dark and it was raining. Now at least I can see and test now if this thing withstands rain. So it did rain heavily last night. Alright, so I ended up putting this bubble wrap all around it. It's looking a bit clumsy, but I'll tuck it in and finish it up. Right, let's see what happened last night. Now I see problem number one. Water accumulated over here and here. So, but here it's relatively okay. This part is relatively fine. So which means I need to make sure I tighten the bubble wrap so that the water can flow down. Right, I can see some patches of water, and over there as well, so it becomes saggy. just water right there. It's all rainwater. And at the top there, I hadn't done anything yet, but I will finish it up so that it looks much better. I need to close the top there because the birds will get in and finish all the veggies in there. Yeah, thought I should just show you this clip before I tuck it in and finish it up. So far I'm not sure whether or not I'm gonna keep it this way or I'll just put a green shed net or shed cloth, maybe 40% shed cloth, which blocks only 40% of the light. So yeah, let me finish up and see you in the next section.
If you enjoyed watching this video, make sure to give it a like, comment and subscribe.
Yes, don't forget to subscribe, especially subscribe.
Yeah.
We noticed that the bulk of our viewers, I think 90%, they're not subscribed. So please guys, please subscribe.
Just helps us grow.
Yes, yeah.
And see you
In the next video.
video.
Up.